Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to Juice and Foods. I'm sure you guys are having a fantastic summer. If you're new here, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification so you're the first to know anytime I upload a new video. Also, to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in and watching my videos. Be blessed. So today we're going to be making a popular hibiscus drink. It's known as Zobo in Nigeria, Sobolo in Ghana, and Sorrel in the Caribbean. Whichever which way you call it, just know it's a popular drink and it's perfect for a hot summer day. So my Zobo drink today is healthy. I'm not going to be using any sugar. I'm going to be using date syrup as a sweetener. Now recall I did make date syrup some time ago. I'll leave the link in the description and also as a recommended video at the end of this video, so stay tuned. So let's get started, guys. So to make this drink, I have my dried hibiscus leaves, a ginger root, a few cloves, a cinnamon stick, 1 cucumber, and of course, a pineapple. So there you have it, guys. Zobo, Sobolo, or Sorrel, whichever way you want to call it. Healthy, perfect for summer. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're still here, it probably means you like my video, so give it a thumbs up, share this video, and leave me a comment. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Ciao.